We will now be talking about the two different types of man transfer trials. Transfer trials are a way of fading prompts. Transfer means transferring control of the man from the prompted condition to the unprompted condition.
Puzzle. Puzzle.
Transfer trials always involve providing the student an opportunity to respond at least 2 times.
Oval. Oval.
In the Mandframe, there are 2 basic types of transfer trials. The first is a within-trial transfer, and the other a second-trial transfer. In the within-trial transfer, the teacher will prompt the first response,
Spongebob.
wait for the student to respond,
SpongeBob.
but instead of reinforcing the student, will withhold reinforcement for a few seconds. In other words, putting a pause in between the student's response following the prompt and delivery,
SpongeBob.
and wait for the student to respond a second time before delivering reinforcement.
SpongeBob. SpongeBob. SpongeBob.
SpongeBob. The pause between the student's prompted response and delivering the reinforcer is a time delay procedure. In the case of the second trial transfer, the teacher will prompt the student.
Teddygram.
When the student responds, the teacher will provide a small amount of the reinforcer and then immediately present a second trial with no prompt,
Teddygram.
and then reinforce the student differentially for that response. In other words, the student responding independently on the second trial gets better reinforcement.
Teddygram. Ready, hands. Teddygram.
When using the within-trial transfer, we need to be cautious and make sure that we don't use this procedure when students present problem behavior if reinforcement delivery is delayed. For these students, it is advised to use the second trial transfer. Second trial transfers are most effective when utilizing reinforcers that can be delivered multiple times.
Block.
The reason for this is that we want to provide the student with an opportunity to provide an independent response immediately following the prompted response. Remember that decisions on which type of transfer trial to use will always be dependent on individual student responding.